Aboleths in D&D. Ancient aberrations with a rich lore that adds depth to the game's fantastical worlds. These creatures are typically encountered in aquatic environments. They possess a unique blend of psionic powers, ancient knowledge, and a penchant for manipulation that makes them intriguing adversaries for adventurers. Aboleths are said to predate the current pantheon of gods, existing in a time when the cosmos was still shaping itself. Their appearance is grotesque and otherworldly. They have serpentine bodies, multiple tentacles surrounding their mouths, and a slimy, mucus-covered hide. Their eyes glow with an eerie iridescence, giving a glimpse into the ancient knowledge they possess. These beings are predominantly found in the darkest depths of oceans, underground lakes, or hidden caverns. Aboleths construct lairs of immense size, adorned with bizarre carvings and strange architecture. Their lairs are not just physical domains, but also places of psychic resonance, enhancing their mental abilities and reinforcing their ability and influence over others. One of the defining features of Aboleths is their mastery of psionics. They possess a vast array of mental powers, including telepathy, mind control, and the ability to project illusions. These powers make them formidable adversaries, as they can manipulate the minds of creatures both near and far, creating intricate schemes to achieve their goals. Aboleths have an exceptional memory, retaining knowledge over countless centuries. They are living repositories of ancient lore, remembering events that predate the rise of civilizations. This knowledge makes them valuable, albeit treacherous, sources of information for adventurers seeking answers to long-forgotten mysteries. Aboleths revel in their ability to dominate the wills of other creatures. They enslave beings to serve them willingly, creating a network of minions that extends their influence over vast territories. This control isn't limited to aquatic creatures. Aboleths can exert their mental dominance over land-dwelling beings, making them a pervasive threat. They operate within a hierarchical society, with the most ancient and powerful Aboleths at the top. Younger Aboleths serve their elders, accumulating knowledge and power as they age. Their society is shrouded in secrecy, and the true extent of their plans and machinations remain hidden from the prying eyes of mortals. Aboleths often have servitor races under their control, mutated and shaped to serve their specific needs. Creatures like the Scum, aquatic humanoids warped by the Aboleths, exemplify the extent of their ability to modify and manipulate life to suit their purpose. In D&D campaigns, Aboleths can serve as more than mere adversaries. They can become central elements of intricate and mysterious plots. Their ancient knowledge can unveil hidden truths or lead adventurers to forgotten artifacts, while their manipulative nature introduces layers of intrigue and deception. Encountering an Aboleth is no small feat. Their psychic powers and ability to control minions make them formidable foes. Additionally, their lairs are often filled with traps, illusions, and guardians, presenting adventurers with multifaceted challenges beyond mere combat. Aboleths make encounters memorable and unpredictable. Let's quickly check out the stat block. So they are large, taking up 4 squares, a natural armour of 17, 216-ish full hit points, swimming of 40 feet in the water, +5 to strength, but a -1 to dex doesn't make much sense to me. Deep speech and telepathy. It can breathe both air and water, but can only move 10 foot on land anyway. So while underwater, it's surrounded by a transformative mucus. This will disease you if you fail a DC 14 con save for up to 4 hours. And that diseased creature can't then breathe air from overland, can only breathe while underwater. If a creature communicates telepathically with it, the Aboleth learns the greatest desires, if the Aboleth can see the creature, that is. So 3 tentacle attacks, which +9 to all, a reach of 10 feet, another possibility of being diseased, and that's a d12 of acid damage, unless you're having water splashed on you while out of water. Its long tail attack, +9, 15 average damage. 3 times a day, it can try to enslave you. It's a wisdom save or you're charmed. Can't take reactions and communicates telepathically with the monster. 3 legendary actions, perception check, 1 tail attack, or a psychic drain, 3d6 psychic damage, and the Aboleth regains the hit points of that number. Okay, Subterranean lakes, rocky depths of the ocean, yeah, they're underwater, fine. Lair actions. The Aboleth casts Phantasmal Force on any number of creatures it can see within 60 feet. Concentration spell, can't take other lair actions. Phantasmal Force. You crafted an illusion that takes root in the mind. Its intelligence saving throw includes sound, temperature, other stimuli. The target treats the phantasm as if it was real. It can even take damage from the illusion because it thinks it's so real. 1d6 psychic damage. Pretty cool. Pools of water within 90 feet surge outwards in a tide. DC 14 strength save or you're pulled into the water and knocked prone. The water in the lair can make creatures within 90 feet of it take a DC 14 wisdom save or take 2d6 psychic damage. And then regional effects like further away, underground surfaces within 1 mile are slimy, wet and difficult terrain. Probably pretty standard around a watery place anyway. So the water is off. For up to a mile away, it makes you vomit within minutes if you drink water in the 1 mile of an Aboleth. It can also create an illusion of itself within a mile. Looks just like an Aboleth. That is cool.